Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Axis Bank login not working issue. If you're trying to log into your Axis mobile banking application but you are not being able to log into your account, then here are some fixes you could consider trying. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. While logging into your Axis mobile banking application, make sure that the information that you've provided is correct. If you provide a wrong username and password, you won't be able to log into your account. The next thing to do is to make sure that you connect your mobile device to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, or you can also try switching between them. And once you have the stable internet connection, get on with the login process for Axis Bank by opening up the application and entering your credentials. If the problem still persists, close the application from running on the background and go and tap Open Settings. From the Settings menu, tap on General, tap on the iPhone storage option and under iPhone storage, look for Axis Mobile application and give it a tap. Now, tap on the Delete App button. Tap on Delete App one more time, and once the application is deleted from your mobile device, go back to your App Store or your Play Store and re-download the application. Log in back to your application again and see if that fixes the issue. Also, make sure that you've disabled any VPN or proxy to see if it is causing the login issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out. Whenever your Axis Bank mobile banking application is not working, or whenever you are not being able to log into your Axis Bank online banking account from your mobile device. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Stay tuned till then.